Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're bringing you a step-by-step guide on how to install Hunyuan image to video in ComfyUI. With this guide, you'll be able to create high-quality AI videos without spending a single penny. Let's dive right in. If you're new here and don't know what Hunyuan video is, make sure to check out our previous video where we gave a detailed introduction and showcased some examples. The results are absolutely top-notch in the industry. In today's video, we'll focus on the installation process, and trust me, this is the easiest tutorial we've ever made. Don't miss it. Step 1. Install the latest version of ComfyUI. First, head over to the official ComfyUI website. We've included the link in the video description below. Download the version that matches your system. Once the download is complete, double-click to run the installer. Next, click Next and choose your installation location. Make sure your disk has at least 100 gigabytes of free space, as the models can be quite large and may cause installation failures if there isn't enough space. If you've previously downloaded ComfyUI, you can migrate your existing models during this step, so you won't need to download them again. Finally, click Install and wait for the process to complete. Once it's done, the ComfyUI interface will open automatically. Step 2. Download the models. This time, you don't need to manually search for and export models like before. Open the workflow template we've prepared in the description below. You'll see an animated image. Yes, that's the one. Drag it directly into ComfyUI, and it will open the Hunyuan workflow file. The system will then notify you of any missing models or plugins. In the latest version of ComfyUI, you can download these directly from the interface. Note that this download option is only available in the latest version. Click Download and wait patiently as the files are quite large. Once the download is complete, you'll be ready to use Hunyuan image to video. Easy, right? To make things even more convenient, you can save the workflow locally for future use. Simply click the Workflow button in the top left corner, then select Export to save it. Next time, you won't need to access the link again. Just load the saved workflow. Step 3. How to use it. Now, let's move on to the usage tutorial. In the bottom left corner of the workflow, you'll find an Upload Image node. Here, you can upload your original image. The higher the resolution of the image, the better the quality of the generated video. Next, move to the green text node in the middle. This is where you can input your prompts. Describe what kind of video you want the image to transform into. Finally, look at the bottom node, where you can adjust the resolution and duration of the video. The duration is determined by specific values. 17 equals 1 second, 33 equals 2 seconds, 49 equals 3 seconds, 65 equals 4 seconds, 81 equals 5 seconds. If the value exceeds 81, the video may become distorted and the quality will drop significantly. Keep everything else at the default settings. From our testing, the first video generation may take a bit longer, but subsequent videos usually take around 2 minutes to generate, with consistent quality. That's it! You've now mastered how to use Hunyuan image to video. Let's take a look at some examples. That's all for today's video. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below and our tech team will help you out. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our future tutorials. See you next time.